What's going on, everybody? As always, make sure and like, subscribe, and drop a comment. And today's video, we are here at the shop at my mechanic of TC, and partial of this video, as you can see behind me, is installing a VMP blower on a 5-liter Mustang. Yes, so make sure and stick around for some more content of the install and the tuning of this. And as always, if you guys would like an install, make sure and reach out to our service manager Chris right here, and he can set you up with everything that you need. Man of the hour over here.
Oh, get it done, baby.
Woo! I was over all the way on the other side, and the man was like, yo, come, let's get a video of the lower part of the supercharger going on. It's like, of course. Hell yeah. I need to bring it standing just. Right now, we're gonna go ahead and move this outside, move that, move that, move that, and move this outside. We do have some dynoing going on today, so if I get caught up with my work, I obviously will be filming some dyno videos. And also in today's video, this GTO right here came in with a fuel leak and a fuel smell. So we did find out that the fuel tank was leaking, so we went ahead and pulled that and installed a new tank, and it is here, so we're gonna install that. And it's actually a Holman, believe it or not. When I pull it in the shop and I open the door, I'll show you guys the badge. It's actually a Holman. It's not even a regular GTO, so it's pretty cool. And there is the one with the VMP blower on it. As you guys can see, we got the old tank out. That was the leaking culprit. We did throw the new tank in here. We're gonna go ahead and plug it in and make sure all the floats and everything works like it should and power us up. As you guys can see where it was leaking, so if you guys have a GTO with a fuel leak, you know where to look.